City boy.
Alright boys, welcome back to another video on the RaceCarDriven channel. As you can see in the title today, we're fitting the front lip on my friend's car. We're driving it right now. He's too tired to drive, so I'm gonna drive. But yeah, we're on the way to pick it up now. So we'll meet you there. Very important with drinks. Alright, we're here and soon he's gonna have a front lip finally. So we're just gonna go pick it up right over here. Alright boys, we picked up the front lips. So now we're just gonna go home. We got some decals also. We're gonna put them on this Pama. Yes, we'll see you at home. Alright boys, we made it home. We're gonna be installing this on this to make it look like that. Lifting up the car. Whoop whoop. Yes. Alright, we just have it lifted a little bit so we can get the drill and the screws in under there, and this one, and he can get under there and drill the holes, because well, we have self-tapping screws for this, so we don't have to take the bumper off. But in the future we're probably going to take the bumper off to secure it from the inside. It's much better, so it doesn't get stolen. Like his last front lip, it got stolen. If you haven't seen that video, click somewhere here so you can watch it. This is the front lip. It's the Max and Design version 6. Oh yeah, it's version 6. It's the same one I have on my car. So this is what it's gonna look like. So yeah, we're about to throw him under the car so you can screw this in. But yeah, this is gonna turn out amazing, I think, because then he's gonna have the whole body kit. Let me show you. Alright, so then he got the side skirts, the back skirts, whatever they're called, the diffuser, and the wing. So front lip is going to complete the look of this car. It's going to be fully blacked out with the silver wheels. It's going to look super well, or super nice. What am I saying? Can't even speak English right now. But yeah, front lip is the only thing. Let's hope it doesn't get stolen, bro. Well, I tried to film when we put this on, but the camera was, well, like this. This whole strip. So yeah, we put it on, and it was super easy. We got the whole one. This is just to hold the front lid up while we put it on the car, so it doesn't fall off 20 times, because we're only 2 people and one's gonna screw it in, and I can't be bothered to hold it. So yeah, we're gonna be placing it super nice, and we'll see you when it's on the car. All right, we got it lined up on the car with the double-sided tape. It's looking very nice. It looks so unusual. This car hasn't had a front lip in what, 4 months? Yeah. 3-4 months. So yeah, it looks super aggressive if you look at it from the side. Oof, yeah, that's gonna be good. So we're just gonna, well, when it's lower, it's gonna look better. So we're just gonna put the screws in and then lower the car, and then we're gonna get some rollers of this, because this is gonna look super sick. So yeah, he's drilling it in now into the bumper, so it's gonna be looking nice. So next clip you will see it's gonna be when it's finished, and after that we're gonna do some rollers. All right, car's not fully down, but this is the result. So yeah, let's hit the highway and do some rollers.
City boy with a country swing. First we went from the court to the bikes, back to the course of my younger days. Lived through it all, but still nothing changed. Forever be me till I'm in the grave. Face on my problems, don't run away. Stand on my feelings, don't need a chase. Just shoot me straight. I'm like an acrobat, a circus act, like they got me in a cage. I could go tit for tat, the gift, the gab, but can't give it to the hate. I'ma just tip my cap and dip right